hold my phone.
Here we go on Viking Voyage. Timu Valhalla. Anyway, let's go.
Timu Valhalla. I reckon it's probably going to be better than Valhalla.
Sorry, Jonathan.
Did you hear that, Jonathan? I think this is going to be better than Valhalla.
The time has come for the Wicker Man to... Oh, no, that's the wrong ride. Right, let's do this.
It does seem quite similar carriage-wise to Valhalla.
Apart from it actually has restraints. Ooh.
Oh yeah, look at this. Very Valhalla. Only our friend Jonathan has been here to give us his opinion.
Absolutely. Never mind. You have to let us know in the comments, mate. See what you think. Is this Timu Valhalla?
Ooh. It's getting dark.
Was it free?
Yeah. Why are you wearing a hat? Your hair.
That sounds quite...
So it should have just jumped, wouldn't it?
I just closed my eyes.
You guys been on this before?
Yeah.
Big splash, yeah?
Yeah, the last one was free, I think.
Oh no.
There's one you go backwards.
Oh, no.
I think Ryanair won't let us on that flight. Wow, that looks awesome.
That's really impressive. Valhalla.
You know, I'm going to put away my holding up my camera thing. But I'm going to release that so that I can put my hand
Oh, no. Hey! Oh, there. Oh, man.
Fucking hell, that was painful.
That was different.
Ow.
That was really different.
My left elbow's regretting that now. This is okay, we're not going to get wet, I don't think.
You had to say it, didn't you?
Well, I'm not going to get wet because I've got my hands on my knees underneath all this shebang. My GoPro's probably not working anymore.
Hand me down bin bags. Doing nothing at all. Oh, hey up. It moves. Oh, it's a backwards drop.
Oh no! It's essentially Valhalla but in the light, isn't it?
Yep. Apart from the turntable actually points you backwards.
I don't like backwards falls.
I'm getting Stormforce 10 flashbacks here.
Yeah, me too. Oh
Oh dear.
no. Oh dear.
I think I'll hold on for this part.
Yeah, me too. Oh, my bum's wetter than it was.
Hand me down bin bags done now.
Oh, helped a little bit.
My pants are toast.
Now the last one was the worst.
Oh no!
It's a bigger hill.
went on this ride. This is a good ride. It's well themed.
I'm wet. Mind it's a water ride.
Huh?
I say I'm wet, but then again it's a water ride. And there's nothing wetter than water. Because if water were wetter than water, there'd be nothing wetter. Yeah.
Oh, that's not even the big one. Oh man.
I think they're regretting their life choices. I know how they feel.
We're going up a lift backwards.
Apparently,
Oh my bum! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh dear.
incidentally, I don't know how this POV is turning out, but yeah. Whee!
Oh, my bum's getting wet again. Oh, no.
Definitely wet.
Are you glad I picked you up the second-hand bin bag now?
Wet. Wet pants, wet undercrackers, wet bum,
Yeah.
and other parts of me that are wet that I just don't want to mention in
Ryanair
public.
charges like 20 quid extra. You appreciate that, don't you?
The extra weight for the baggage. Yeah, sounds about right. And there you go, that was Viking River Quest Splash thing, whatever it was. I mean, it was fun, it was well themed, and
I think that's
yeah.
the second best water ride in UK and Ireland.
You know what, Jonathan, that was better than Valhalla.